Torrential slight is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its special calculation and quick exchange speed have made it quite possibly of the most famous computerized cash out there. Many individuals are considering what's in store for Avalanche and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what Avalanche is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our AVAX coin cost expectation. Kindly recall that our cost forecasts don't comprise venture guidance. Consistently do your own examination prior to trading any cryptographic forms of money. What is Avalanche, AVAX? Fueled by the directed acyclic graph upgraded agreement system that works with quick exchange speed and versatility, Avalanche is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Torrential slight additionally has its own local token called AVAX. There are multiple ways for AVAX holders to procure rewards, for example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more AVAX tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as hodling AVAX, you can likewise procure prizes by running a validator hub or marking your tokens in one of Avalanche's numerous dApps. Torrential Slide utilizes a decentralized independent association (DAO) to decentralize power and settle on conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of AVAX token holders who can decide on proposition that will influence the organization. Torrential Slide is fairly one of a kind in that its center stage really comprises of three distinct blockchains: the exchange chain, X chain, the platform chain, P chain, and the contract chain, C chain. Every one of them have particular capabilities and purposes, however, are completely interoperable, which permits the Avalanche organization to boost its productivity, speed, and adaptability. Torrential Slide technical analysis. The Avalanche digital currency answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar course as the remainder of the crypto market. AVAX has additionally shown that it has both mooning potential and essential help to ascend back up again in any event when the circumstances are difficult. To wrap things up, the coin's market cap is areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of compassing, AVAX was inside the best 20 cryptographic forms of money on CoinMarketCap. In general, these things highlight a long-haul bullish as opposed to a negative pattern for Avalanche. Concerning the transient AVAX cost figure, if it's not too much trouble, take a gander at the gadget beneath. Refreshed continuously based on different markers, for example, moving midpoints and the general strength list, it embodies the consequence of Avalanche's specialized examination performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies AVAX is probably going to ascend from now on. In the event that it sell, the coin's cost might decline soon. Torrential Slide Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Avalanche costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Avalanche will be $37.09. The greatest level that the AVAX cost can reach is $42.46. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $38.29. August 2022. Avalanche price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the AVAX cost will be exchanged at $33.70 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Avalanche worth to $36.85. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $32.50 in August 2022. AVAX price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Avalanche costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $34.37. The most reduced and top AVAX rates may be $33.17 and $38.20. October 2022. Avalanche price forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the AVAX cost will be around $35.40. In October 2022, the Avalanche cost might drop to at least $34.20. The normal pinnacle worth may be $39.57 in October 2022. AVAX price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Avalanche costs, digital money specialists expect that the AVAX rate could arrive at a limit of $40.99 in November 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $35.62. For November 2022, the estimated normal of Avalanche is almost $36.82. December 2022. Avalanche price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Avalanche cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $38.29. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the AVAX cost could vary somewhere in the range of $37.09 and $42.46. Torrential slide price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Avalanche in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Avalanche will be around $54.25. The most extreme expected AVAX cost might be around $65.14. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $56.16 in 2023. Torrential slide price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Avalanche, in 2024, AVAX is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $80.95 and $94, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $83.20. Torrential slide price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Avalanche and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base AVAX cost could drop to $123.97, while its most extreme can reach $142.71. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $128.13. Torrential slide price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Avalanche by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least AVAX costs are normal in 2026. $216.23 and $177.97. By and large, it will be exchanged at $184.38. Torrential slide price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Avalanche. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical AVAX cost will be around $267.90. It could drop to